hubiera pasado si tú y yo hubiésemos seguido esos besos? Si ese día de haber hecho el amor lo hubiese estado, confeso.
This is a good time to thank the sponsor of this video, OPENROAD 4-wheel drive. They are having a massive summer sale right now, and if you purchase a winch, you get a free tree strap. That's really handy. I mean, their winches are really inexpensive as it is, and being on a massive sale right now and being able to get a free tree strap, that's a heck of a deal. I've been running the OPENROAD 4-wheel drive awning for a while. This has held up great. I do have a rip in the bag, but that's going to happen when you go through as many trees as I do. But the awning itself has survived some pretty serious winds and rubbing up on a lot of rocks and trees, and it's been fantastic. But this is the tree strap you get. Very thick, padded to protect the tree. Really nice tree strap from OPENROAD 4-wheel drive. I have, as you can see, that one's been used a few times. But I've been running OPENROAD 4-wheel drive winches on my Gladiator for over 4 years now. Almost 5 years now, since my worn winch left me stranded, dangling about 30 feet down Yellow Hill, running a Pritchett Canyon Trail in Moab. After that, replaced it with the OPENROAD 4-wheel drive winch, and this thing has gotten me out of some very tough and nasty situations. I have never had this thing fail on me, and it has been an awesome winch. Thanks.
¿Qué hubiera pasado